Hey guys, this is Ed Salabao from Team Horizon Hobby, and what I wanted to show you now is the new brushless upgrade for the Nano CPX blade, part number BLH 3325. And what comes in the package is this new brushless main motor setup. It's a plug-and-play solution, no soldering required. As you see here, the motor is already connected to the speed control, and you got the battery harness and then the plug that goes into the main board. So very straightforward, and you also get the double-sided tape to stick this onto the helicopter. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and install this on the Nano. Get started. So the first step on the manual tells us to remove the canopy, and then the second is to unplug the main motor connector from the board, and that is the top one right here, which by the way from the factory comes with some sort of silicone glue to keep it nice and keep it from popping off right there. So that's fairly easy to just scrape off. And after you unplug that, all you do, the next thing you do is take off the skid and push the motor up, and it should go through right here. You might want to make space because some of the servo wires are kind of in the way, but you can definitely move them out of the way, or you can unplug these two if you want, whatever's easier. So so what I'll do right now is take this off, take the motor out, and then we'll continue from there. What I've done so far is install the new brushless motor, as you can see right there. It's a little taller than the stock motor, so the only thing the one thing I did here is basically this servo wire. I routed it a little bit. I just pushed it aside and inserted the motor. I didn't have to unplug the servo wires to get the motor in there, so it's pretty straightforward. Just kind of made room for it. Pushed it all the way in till it hits the bottom, and then plugged in the signal wire or the throttle control wire onto the board, and this is how it's oriented. It comes in a 90-degree angle. I haven't bent this to the final setup, but this is how I plugged it. And if you get that wrong and you plug it the wrong way, which is going to be extremely difficult because it'll be going down below, the worst case it'll probably spin backwards. But yeah, you shouldn't damage anything if you plug this in the wrong orientation. Okay, so the speed control, I just put the double-sided tape on it, just stuck it on the front board right there. So the only thing left to do is here's the original battery connector. What you do is you plug it into this harness right here from the new speed control, the new SC, like so. And so this is your new battery harness. So what we'll do is let's test it out. Okay, we'll put the put the skids, put a battery, turn on the radio. And so I'll make everything nice and pretty later when I close things up. And anybody, you guys can pretty much do however you want to do in terms of clean up with the wire, but I just want to get this thing tested. Plug it in. Alright, and as you heard, I don't know if you can pick that up, but it actually did some beep tones now. And so everything's powered up. Let me grab the radio here. and I'll just give it a little bump in throttle. Watch, I'll be holding it, so bear with me here. I'll just be extra careful. I'll just give it a very light throttle. And there it goes. It's rotating the right direction. Alright. Okay, here's a quick test flight of the new Nano CPX brushless conversion. Okay, a lot more head speed, definitely more pop. Okay, now I'm jamming the sticks full up and down on that one, and you can see it hardly bogs. Okay, that's it.